Hi, this is Stephen at My Car Import. I'll be the person organising your one-day appointment to come to us here in Castle Donington. In order to make sure we've got the correct parts needed, there's just a few photos of the vehicle that we need. So the first one being of the headlight. This is just in case that we need to order replacement headlights if they cannot be manually adjusted. Then we can just head into the vehicle. The next photo will be of the speedometer. So when the car first turns on and all the warning lights and icon lights are illuminated, if you take a photo like that, and then just need to turn headlights on and then your fog. And then the next picture will be of the headlight beam pattern against a wall, like so. And if we just head to the back of the vehicle, actually here the fog lights turn on, but we'll just take a picture of the entire back of the vehicle so we can assess where it's situated on the car. And then with these photos, we'll be able to order the correct part needed for your arrival here in Castle Donington. Thank you for watching this short video and choosing My Car Import.